You know, modern technology lets us get away without having to dig ditches by hand. On a hot day, it's really nice not have to get out the pick and shovel to dig everything. Let's take a little closer look. You won't be able to hear me.
Barreto
23 RTK weed eater I find is very good for our use. We can go back and just to let you know, here's all the different controls. Coming up here, so your start is right here, choke is right here, throttle is right here, fuel, your chain actions here, left, right, reverse, forward and backwards, and here's your digging boom up and down. It's really simple. Somebody like Clay will show you. I'll take over the phone and he'll take off and show you all the different actions. Let's roll.